Let's understand the importance of locked nucleic acid in the research. Locked nucleic acid is a synthetic RNA or DNA analog where the ribose sugar is locked in a rigid 3' endo conformation via a methylene bridge between 2' oxygen and 4' carbon. This structural modification underpins its critical role in biotechnology and RNA therapeutic research. The number one is enhanced stability and specificity. LNA increases thermostability of oligonucleotide duplex, thus improving hybridization specificity and reducing off-target binding. For example, N-base LNA oligonucleotide achieves higher melting temperature than its DNA counterpart. Additionally, nuclease resistant. The locked conformation also provides resistance to enzymatic degradation, thus making LNA ideal for in vivo application like aptamer or antisense therapies. This also provides precision in gene quantification. LNA enhanced probes enable accurate SNP discrimination and also allelic differentiation in qPCR, even for the challenging target like GT mismatches. Additionally, versatile design flexibility. Shorter probes around 13 to 20 bases can target 80 GC-rich regions or stable secondary structure, overcoming design limitation of native DNA. And lastly, therapeutic application. Locked nucleic acid has significant impact on antisense technology, where LNA suppresses aberrant splice site or oncogenic microRNAs, and also in aptamers, where it improves the in vivo stability for targeted drug delivery and in the diagnostic uses. It also provides compatibility. It works with standard lab equipments like PCR thermocycle, thus ensuring seamless integration into existing workflow. Locked nucleic acid bridges the gap between high specificity and practical applicability, thus enabling breakthroughs in the genetic diagnostic, cancer research, and RNA-targeted therapies. Its ability to stabilize oligonucleotides while maintaining the precision make it indispensable for modern molecular biology. Interested in how LNA compare to other nucleic acid analog or its role in CRISPR system and aptamer technology? Then do comment us. Stay subscribed for more.